So I'm going to show you how to set up the Samsung Find feature on your Galaxy A17 so that you're able to track or find your phone, or even lock or even delete the data in case your phone is lost or stolen, kind of protecting the data inside your phone. So to set it up, simply go to Settings. Under Settings, you want to scroll down to Security and Privacy, tap on that, and then go to Lost Device Protection, tap on that, and then you should see Find My Mobile. So once you tap on that, make sure you signed in with your Samsung account, and then also enable these functions. So you can choose to send last location, allow this phone to be found. This is very important because this is a feature that allows this phone to be found using any other device that's signed into your Samsung account. Now you can also choose to enable offline finding, which basically allows your phone to be located even if it's offline. Okay, so that's how to enable and set up the Samsung Find or Find My Mobile on your Galaxy A17 5G. Just in case the phone gets lost or stolen or misplaced, you can basically protect the data inside the phone. Thanks for watching and good luck.